we're going to go over how to use and test this purge kit. First, we got to make sure our air is hooked up, and then we have pressure down on this gauge. It has to be set to a minimum of 60 psi. Once we have our pressure, we adjust this knob until we get to the safe area. Anywhere within safe area is pretty good. I normally set it a little past halfway. And then all you gotta do is make sure it equalizes somewhere in that safe area. Out of that, you wanna take this off, loosen all these bolts. One of these bolts will be tied in, it won't be able to come out. Use it as a hinge. And here you can see we have a normally open, normally closed, and a common. This is actually the common, normally open, and normally closed. We will go ahead and test this. Common and normally open. It makes that sound because we are actually switch states because we're in our safe area. And that's still normally closed. Like I said, it's technically open right now because we're within our safe area. To make sure that it changed states, we're just going to remove the air to bring it back down to its standard position. It may take a little bit, but eventually switches state. So now the normally open is open, and normally is closed, closed. And then if you wish, we attach your air and test it again. As I said before, it may take a little bit of change, but it will change. Now the normally open is closed, and normally closed is now open. After all that's done, you're going to make sure you purge the kit. You flip that down, because it's high, it's pushing all the unpurged air out. It is 1 minute per cubic foot. After the time has elapsed, you're going to take it back, you're going to close this valve back to stop the rapid purging, and it should go back in your safe area. After you all test it, you purge it, tighten this back up.